advice about making money online that is easy to understand. Sit back and imagine the possibilities. No need for daycare. No boss telling you what to do. The ability to work where and when you want. No ceiling to your potential profits. Online work provides you with these possibilities, and this video will prepare you for this new online career. What is your niche? Do you like writing? Think about becoming a content writer. Are you good at graphic design? A lot of folks might hire you for website or document projects. Reflect on what you do best, and you can make money at it. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards, and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. When you work online, the world is your oyster. You are free to do, act, and be as you wish, but only if you know what you're doing. If you want to turn your online work into a profitable career, use the tips you've read today and make it happen. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.